manya buri muntu muziki ayino muntu wari kukunda munonga nyowe nkabinga na Jofre inkundo musheja Muhoozi Kainerugaba beyingana kukunda Kainerugaba nyina masuku ngogwe tumushango waba nogwe tumushango iwe tabaza Yesu wanje nakoza
Yesaya nyeta promoter DM Swaga kandi promoter anyizika mu Western Uganda na munongo mweshongozi wanje go bakwita Jack Bwemi Mugabe mweshongozi wa mano kweshongora keshongoronka ninkusima mujuni twegarukemu twebiruguma nebindi bingi nasa kumpangisa kweshongora mukore yawe kandi kintu gendo mmisho amakora gandete shaheji nago kugira ngo go mwana kandi utu postingiraho kandi go Major General Muhoozi yaba promoted yaza furu geno kandi no murimo yagurugaho wabirari Land Forces Commander we yakutarubasho amakuru gari ngo President Museveni has appointed Major General Muhanga Kayanja as new Chief of Land Forces replacing Lieutenant General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Museveni also promoted Muhoozi to the rank of General. Muhoozi, who previously served as Special Forces Commander, will retain his position as senior. So nazagumari presidential advisor kandi umuhabuzi wa president in charge of special operation. Museveni also promoted Kayanja, who is a field commander of operation Shujaa, to the rank of Lieutenant General. So ogunwe abe na kwasagaya kintu cha operation Shujaa eje abe Kongo ina kaya yesire operation kudya so insi masho iko kafegwa kuzo operation eje kandi ogu abirari field commander of operation yam promoting as a Lieutenant General. So nchimaisa operation eje akajikoraje mnonga amakuru gagambira NKORE Media ngo ekiraje announcement will be made by the Defense Ministry later this Tuesday ogwa kabiri makuru ngaza kubanigija kandi baza kugarangiriraje mnonga. Muhoozi has served as CLF for less than 2 years. He has been overseeing operation DRC and Somalia kandi wabe nakwasagaye ya DRC aho muri Congo na Somalia. The charges come just days after Muhoozi started a tweet store. In one of the tweets, Muhoozi said the old generation has ruled Uganda since 1986 should prepare to step aside for the useful general to take charge of the country's affairs. Ejin post ya atireho kandi ari kugira ngo eshayona regime je yatangiye kumugwenda kirana mukaga shemeye kubaneza rubaju kandi akabasa kuroko yatwara okwabe okwemenyeto yabasa kutwara ikintu misho aronye tweets ndazo munonga kandi zagamba bingi munonga tindi muntu wabingi onka special advisor some room engage in political work. Most of the promotion of full general could be a precursor to retirement of the armed forces of Muhoozi to participate. Of course nanye nkwana kubasa kukireba kandi njana amashoye ko nkwana kukireba na life kugira ngo bundi Babuyaza General idare jenyine ninjangu no kumutebeka ndakugira ngo 2010 be nabasa kwija urode mbene mu bireba team chairman team wati abeshongozi nkabingana nibatayo bweshongoro automatically cyo nono kireba. My generation, I love you so much. They used to say that we could not stand for presidency, said Muhoozi on Twitter, that we are abana kids. Let's prove to our elders that we can lose this country well. By removing Muhoozi from the Land Forces Command, 7 might please Kenya, whose leadership is up in arms of ebyo nanjane bugambo kandi zimwe ni rumors ndijo ni psychology zo bwebembezi foka orino kurjiro kubantu bireba no kutuntu bireba jeno nabasa kwija nko munene naza ko hoje kacheka background ninga biography General Muhoozi Kainerugaba kugira ngo base kujiro ko wacimanya kandi twatwara ikintu misho. Who is General Muhoozi Kainerugaba? Kainerugaba akazagwe 2024 kandi ryo kwa kana umwaka gwa kumugwena shajilena yazarugwa ko muri Dar es Salaam Tanzania kandi yazago mu cyo bayenweta Yoweri Museveni yazago mu omushijo bayenweta Yoweri Museveni tubahabugwa kandi president oriho na no mucyara bayenweta Hope gwa heru we yamuzire. So Museveni has been president radio kandi ntubimanya Museveni ishewe yakazantebe kurwo mwaka gwa kumugwenda kirana mukaga kwisana hati kandi ubwo mwana wajangwa participating mu rutaro kandi akari kadogo by that time kandi kintu yakitamzaje mnongo Israel military serving as commander kandi binjaha nibafana updating of course yaba General kandi mu muguri yagurekaho arari mbaho short nanka akazarwa Tanzania kandi of course aba Lieutenant General yarugaho yaba Full General. Special Forces Commander, Special Forces Command kuva 2008 kuza 2017. Command of UPDF Present Battle Wars kandi Battle Wars Garamba Offensive 2008 kuza 2009 rutaro ruyagiremo ubwo no rutaro ubwo Garamba akazame 2008 kuza 2009. Academy okushoma kwero yo Military Academy, Egyptian Military Academy, Company Commanders Course, Battalion Commanders Course, Karama Armored Welfare Training School, Armored Welfare Course, US Army Command and General Staff, Senior Military Command, South African National Defense College, Executive National Course. So far wamuzire mwamuri Hope nanka then hafi nyina we bamwita Janet, of course we mureberira kamukuza. As a child Kainerugaba attended schools in Tanzania, Mount Kenya Academy in Nyeri, Kenya and Sweden. After his father became president, he attended Kampala Parent School, King's College Budo and St. Mary's College Subi. He graduated kandi yaisha graduating mu mwaka wa 1994 by then yonka antakazigwa kwa kazagwa 95 aho. Muhoozi was admitted in Egyptian Military Academy, bisha bamweta mu Egyptian Academy, where he took both the company and battalion commanders courses. Kashomere course ibiri. He also attended the Kalama Armored Welfare Training School in 2007. He was admitted to a 1-year course in the United States Army Command and General Staff College at Fort Leavenworth, Kansas, graduating in June 2008. Following that, he successfully completed the Executive National Security Program at the South African National Defense College. Muhoozi does not hold a degree in any non-military post-secondary education. It is not clear whether he was able to graduate from the University of Nottingham, where some sources indicate that he had a 2-year study period for BA Political Science degree, starting 1996 to 1998, but the program is 3 years, not 2. Uganda and Rwanda conflicts in February 2019. Rwanda crossed the border, crossing after choosing Pamelewo yagiye Rwanda kandi bakabasa kwigura border kandi aje natwereke ibintu bije. Project Muhoozi ningashi Muhoozi project in 2013. General David said that Nyefuza wrote a letter in which explained there is a project with the intention of having Muhoozi succeed his father as the president. Army officers opposed it. We are at risk of being Sagisa told the BBS that Uganda was being turned the political monarchy. So General Sagisa nwe yabanje kukireyo mu 2013 kandi akajati kurugiro kunkureba barero ndo harengere barano baprotera ba Tereza mu go mwana ngo ajabe umuntu wa manaha. So kandi Sagisa yahandika ko yandikire nango amwete babifa munonga kandi ico cyaje cyatwaraho natinyefuza ibinde byayongireho kuzo muri Kizayiro. Project ejo se karebo bwirobwe so far project ejo ne yamana munonga ho muri Mbarara. Muhoozi project team MK Nkore Media amakuru twagakusaho tusoka nimwe bare kwagira comedy zitu Ankole Comedy Limited mwe bare kwagira super accessories and movie center mukakwa film mukagira ibintu nkebyo mwe bare kwagira Jack Bwemege shongoro twegarucemu ijari Yesu ni Karundi cyo no mweshongozo wa mano mu Western kandi mwe bare kumuhagira mongere muhage kibase kuza arevo. Subscribe Ankole Media kandi amakuru ngo twine haho iwe tingi moko kukigambaho ko kukigambaho no basakitereze nteka yawe then tuwebo kutwatamze kintu misho. Blessings, bless.
Afande Muhoozi Kainerugaba eshurye manzi omushija wo musita Uganda kiberire kibashu duhangare omusita murungi Kainerugaba yo muntu wo bwenge omucurezi toyine mwe banko omuntu ori kwishywa bingi mushija yabareka ngusime Kainerugaba yabare umwana w'umusita iwe yikereza nkwete munywani sanganda ukakikora buryo mwe ntareba kahangare munywani wanje Kainerugaba nyowe tinkarebaga musita ngwaryaho muno mwoza mwamisho nabone nkayitwa abashambo nanabatizi abatatiza bwenge nizima ruhanga hagwawe munywani wanje Kainerugaba umusita no yabare okubohurire kahangare nikukunda Kainerugaba. nkaba bundi kuhurura abakutemba ahantebe n'ahameza manya bakuze yire n'abahurire n'enkono nungi nayo gira ahedema ikiconco cyawe cyo bwebembeze kiryo mushagamati cyo kukwata burijo bwenge tubuhabuba obwenje bwine musita we Kainerugaba abantu
Selecta, kuluta ninga hale kale. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.